natural history in Halifax. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! If you love nature and you know it, clap your hands. If you love nature and you know it, clap your hands. If you love nature and you know it and you really want to show it. If you love nature and you know it, clap your hands. If you love nature and you know it, neigh like a horse, neigh! If you love nature and you know it, neigh like a horse, neigh! If you love nature and you know it and you really want to show it. If you love nature and you know it, neigh like a horse, neigh! If you love nature and you know it, bark like a seal. Arr, arr. If you love nature and you know it, bark like a seal. Arr, arr. If you love nature and you know it and you really want to show it. If you love nature and you know it, bark like a seal. Arr, arr. If you love nature and you know it, howl like a coyote. Oh! If you love nature and you know it, howl like a coyote. Woo! If you love nature and you know it and you really want to show it. If you love nature and you know it, howl like a coyote. Woo! Well done, everyone. Welcome to the brown mats under the big tree in the museum forest. Wow, really cool in here. Today's special topic is about a very special animal. I'm going to describe it for you, and I'd like for you to try to guess what it is. This animal is really big. It has a long black snout. It has small ears. It has warm, black, cuddly fur. And it has 4 legs. Do you think you can try to guess what this animal is? That's right, it's a black bear. Black bears live here in Nova Scotia, and they're very special animals. I have some special treasures with me today that I'd like to show you that belonged to a black bear. Wow, this is real black bear's fur. Does it look warm, cuddly, and soft? Oh, I think so too. Wow. Oh, this is interesting. It's curved and is very sharp. Ooh, I think that's a bear's claw, kind of like our fingernails, but bear's claws are best for doing things like digging and scraping and picking berries and catching fish. What a special tool that bear's claws are. Oh, this looks familiar to me. I think this might be something that belongs in a bear's mouth. That's right, it's a bear's tooth. It's very long and very sharp. Oh, wow, what a neat tooth. We're pretty lucky to be able to look at these special treasures together. I'd like for us to do an activity. I want to try to become a bear with you. Are you ready to try with me? All right, let's do this together. We need to start standing up, so let's get ready. Let's do a little stretch. Roll your shoulders. Oh, stretch your arms out wide. All right, I think we're ready to pretend to be bears. Remember how many legs a bear has? That's right, 4 legs. So let's use all of our 4 limbs to become a bear. Okay, here we go. Okay, so bears mostly walk on all 4 legs, so let's get on all 4 legs. Let's lumber around like a bear. That's good lumbering, isn't it? Oh, but you know what? I think there might be berries in a tall bush. We better stand on our back legs. Ready? Let's pick the berries in the high bush using our claws. Delicious berries. Bears love berries. How about a fish? Let's try to catch this river. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, the fish. Caught it. We caught the fish together. Good job, everyone. But you know what? I have an itch on my back. I don't think I can reach it as a bear. So you know what I think I need to do? I'm gonna rub on this big tree. Ready? Okay. Use my claws, turn around, and I think I got the itch. I got the itch. Very, very good. But you know what else the bear did? They left a special smell on the tree to let other bears know that I live here too. Well done, we wild ones. That was so fun pretending to become a bear with you. Now it's time for us to watch a very special puppet show called Black Bear, Black Bear. Ready? Let's go. Hi, we wild ones. Thanks for joining us for today's puppet show. Today's puppet show is called Black Bear, What Do You See? Let's ask the black bear together what they see. Black bear, what do you see? Try it one more time with me. Black bear, what do you see? Very good. Here we go. Once upon a time, not too far from here, there was a black bear that liked to roam the forest. This bear was very curious and liked to look at all of the colors all around him. Together now, black bear, what do you see?
Woo! Why, I see a green turtle slowly walking in front of me.
Black bear, what do you see?
I see a yellow flower. Woo! And it smells good to me.
Black bear, what do you see?
Ooh! I see a black and yellow bee buzzing, and it makes me think of delicious honey.
Black bear, what do you see?
Ooh! I see a red fox with a long tail that is oh so fluffy.
Black bear, what do you see?
I see a black and white skunk. And woo, is it stinky?
Black bear, what do you see?
Oh, I see my baby bear with fuzzy, cuddly black fur.
Aww, baby bear, what do you see?
I see my mommy bear with warm black fur.
And off Mummy and baby black bear went to find more colors in the forest together. The end. Thanks for watching a puppet show with us. Now it's time to go on a special adventure all the way to the Shubenacadie Wildlife Park to take a look at real black bears.
Hi, we wild ones. We're here at Shubenacadie Wildlife Park. My name is Aaron, and we're here to check out the bears. Come on.
Hello, weed wild ones. My name is Bryce. I'm here at the Shubenacadie Wildlife Park to teach you about bears. So did you guys know bears are omnivores? Can you guys say omnivores? Omnivores means that they eat plants and meat. As you can see here in this bucket, we've prepared some plants and meat for them to eat. As you guys can see, there's a carrot, and they have apples, and then they have all this meat here for them to eat as well. We also built this nice den for them to sleep in during the winter. So here, they have these nice wood shavings and or straw to help them keep nice and warm. And we've built these big doors to keep them safe from severe weather, like wind and rain and snow.
Hi, we wild ones. I'm Britt. Bria, and I'm here in the bear enclosure. The bears are safely away eating, and I thought I would check out their naturally built den. In the wild, bears like dens built with rocks like this or fallen trees, and they like to line them with grass or ferns. Do you think the bears would like this den? I think so too.
Thanks for joining us at the Wildlife Park, we wild ones. If you want to check out the bears for yourself, the Wildlife Park is open every Saturday and Sunday.
Welcome back, we wild ones. That was a really fun adventure we had at the Shubenacadie Wildlife Park. I learned a lot today from our friends. For today's activity, I'd like to try to make a bear's den with you. It's kind of like a fort for us. Our friend Bria said that bears really like to make the insides of their den soft and cozy. So I found some things around the museum that are going to help us build a bear's den. Do you have things around your house that you could pretend to build a bear's den? I'm sure you do. For now, let's use this piece of foam that I found. Let's make the inside of our den soft for our bears to sleep in. It's pretty soft, but I think they need something warm to cuddle up with. How about my scarf? Or my coat? That's pretty warm. That looks great. So now we need to do the outside of our bear den. Our friends told us that bears like to use fallen branches and trees to make sure their den is safe. Let's use these sticks that I found to make the top. So here we have our trees and our branches on top. I think we're missing something to make sure that we're protected from things like the wind and the rain. How about this blanket? Oh, is the rain coming down? There! How's our bear den look? I think so too, but I think we need to test it out with our teddy bears. What do you think, teddy bears? Oh, I think this is a great bear den. Let's go play. Well, we wild ones, this is the part of the program where it's time for us to say goodbye. Can you remember what we did today? That's right. We looked at special treasures that belonged to a real bear. We watched a puppet show called Black Bear, Black Bear. We visited our friends at the Shubenacadie Wildlife Park. And we built a bear's den. I had a lot of fun with you today. If you'd like to see more We Wild Ones videos, tune in again next time, and we'll see you then. Bye!